driving through Portland, Maine's blizzard. The roads are very slippery and it's extremely cold and lots of snow. I'm taking it easy. My parking lot clean. My car clean, so we're going to keep up with the storm. Blizzard of 2018. It is extremely cold. It's supposed to get like 2 foot of snow. It's going to snow until 5 p.m. Started at 7 in the morning. Well, this is it for you folks. Enjoy this sub-zero weather. Extremely cold blizzard.